In this video, I'm going to demonstrate customer management on Clover using Cloud CRM, one of our apps for customers. So it has fairly robust capabilities that adds on top of what's already available on Clover. It's completely integrated with customers, and so whatever you've already have going on with your customers on Clover will automatically show up on Cloud CRM and more. So the first thing I want to show you is that we can show unlimited amount of records using Cloud CRM on a Clover device. This right here is a couple thousand records that I'm scrolling through here, and we know that this number can be unlimited. It doesn't really matter how many records you have, we'll be able to show it on this device. So another thing we have is what we call customer types or categories, and so you can edit these to completely match the industry you're in and the type of customers you work with. So we have it set up for school or some sort of a government facility. This can be a pet shop or a plumber. So and then these types also become sort of filters for your records, for your customer records. And we have the ability to work with the avatar. We can make so basically you can take a picture using the device itself, like so. Here's a good one. Yeah. Alright, so here's the picture. You also have the ability to let's just see what happened here. Alright, so let's say that this is a picture. Alright, we like it. Alright, there it is. So we also have the ability to edit the fields and add any kind of field that you need to your customer record, as it were. So whatever fields you add here will show up on every record. And these fields can be either text, numeric, date, yes, no, drop down, images, and radio selection. So we don't limit the number of fields that can be added to your record. So using this functionality, you can further specify what kind of fields are needed to work with your customer base. So here we have the picture. Again, you can use the device for this to take the picture. And this app is available on all devices by Clover. So, it's pretty good. And another thing I want to show is what we call workflow management. And the first workflow that we have added here is the ability to automatically assign or require customer selection during the checkout. And when we mean require, we actually mean require this checkbox here. So let me go ahead and uncheck it for now and show you. Right, so we turned on the workflow, and when we go to the register, as you can see, it automatically triggers customer selection, and what's more is you cannot get out of this. Require means that selection is required. You have to choose a customer to move on with the sale. And as you can see, it's completely integrated with Clover. So let me quickly show you. Let's just pick that one for now. All right. So let me go ahead and remove this checkbox here and actually add the checkbox here. And let me show you the difference. So now when the customer, let's go ahead and delete this order. Right. So now when the customer selection appears, there is an option to basically exit out of it rather than being forced to select the customer. And that's what we mean by either require or just trigger. So to summarize, it's completely integrated with Clover. It has capability to completely augment the customer form. It works with pictures, taking images on any device. You have the ability to categorize your customers. And with all of these capabilities, you can really focus your understanding of a customer strictly to the kind of customer that your business drives you towards. So it's available on Clover on any devices, and it also has a web interface for exporting.